Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and it does not really matter on which mode we will be. It can be video, the photo, etc. because we have to enter the general settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and I forgot to tell you about the most important thing I wanted. Basically, I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. Alright, sorry about this disclaimer. Alright, so we are in the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, and we've got this option Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it and confirm it. And nothing happened. I mean, the settings did not flash, or I don't know, it did not, I mean, we cannot see any signs of a reset, but no worries, because after getting back to the camera, we can see that the green lines disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.